Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn the next method of solving a quadratic equation. That is the method of completing the squares. Okay, let us see it through an example. Here is a quadratic equation which has to be solved by the method of completing the squares. There are few steps involved in it. Let us first check with an example. The quadratic equation which I have here is 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equals to 0. The first step in solving by this method is the coefficient of x square should always be 1. Here the coefficient of x square is 2. So divide the whole equation by 2. Dividing the whole equation by 2, 2x square by 2 minus 7x by 2 plus 3 by 2 is equals to 0 by 2. 0 by 2 is always 0. So 2x square by 2 becomes x square minus 7x by 2 is equals to plus 3 by 2 becomes minus 3 by 2. Now remember, we are giving this method as the method of completing the squares. That is, it should be in the form of either a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. So first transform the constant term to the other side. So plus 3 by 2 becomes minus 3 by 2. These two terms, whatever are there, you need to write them in the form of a square minus 2ab because there is a minus sign here. So x square can be written as x whole square minus 7x by 2. Just check, I have done it here. 2ab. It should be in the form of 2ab. So 7x by 2 is equals to 2ab. The value of a already is x here. So 2 into x into b is equals to 7x by 2. X gets cancelled. So 2b is equals to 7 by 2. So if this 2 goes this side, it goes to the denominator. So b is equals to 7 by 4. Remember, the value of a is x and the value of b is 7 by 4. So now this is a square minus 2 into a into b. B is 7 by 4 is equals to minus 3 by 2. Am I clear? First step is you have to make the coefficient of x square as 1. Then convert it into the form of a square plus 2ab or minus 2ab. Here it is a square minus 2ab. So in the place of b, I have 7 by 4. B square term is missing to complete the square. Remember, it is the method of completing the square. So the term b square is missing. The value of b is 7 by 4. So adding 7 by 4 whole square on both the sides, you get x square minus 2 into x into 7 by 4 plus 7 by 4 whole square is equals to minus 3 by 2 plus 7 by 4 whole square. Now simplifying it, I get x minus 7 by 4 whole square is equals to 25 by 16. Remember, it is the method of completing the square and our quadratic equation has two zeros. So if the square is moving this side, you need to take square root with a plus or minus. So x minus 7 by 4 is equals to plus or minus 5 by 4. Clear? So now taking plus 5 by 4 once and minus 5 by 4 once, solve it, you get two values for x. So the roots of the quadratic equation are 3 and half. Let us just check with one more example. 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 is equals to 0. Recollect this first step. The coefficient of x square should be 1. In this case, it is 4. Remember, if it is 1, you need not divide by anything. Directly, you can continue it. Now, here the coefficient of x square is 4. So, divide the whole equation by 4. 4x square by 4, 4 root 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4. So 4 gets cancelled. It becomes x square plus 4 gets cancelled even here. It is root 3x is equals to minus 3 by 4. I have taken this example to explain you whether you have root or fraction, the process of solving is the same. Now it is x square plus 2ab, 2 into, in the place of a I have x, b is as it is, let us find it out, is equals to root 3x. So 2b is equals to root 3, b is equals to root 3 by 2. So adding root 3 by 2 whole square, and remember in the previous example it was a square minus 2ab, now it is a square plus 2ab. So adding root 3 by 2 whole square on both the sides, x square minus 2 into x into root 3 by 2 plus root 3 by 2 whole square. Okay, is equals to minus 3 by 4 plus root 3 by 2 whole square. Remember, the roots can be positive, negative, fraction, or even in roots. Understood? It should be only a real number. Understood? Rational and irrational together are real numbers. So you can get it in the roots also. Now this is x plus root 3 by 2 whole square is equals to minus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 2. Now taking LCM and simplifying it, it is plus 3 by 4. As I have told you, since it is a quadratic equation, it will have two roots. So square is going that side, you need to take plus or minus. Take the value of plus ones and minus ones, simplify it, you get two values for x. So this is the third method of solving a quadratic equation. That is the method of completing the squares. Clear? So the three methods we have discussed, and remember, until and unless it is specified, you need not solve it by that particular method. Suppose you are thorough with factorizing, you can go with factorizing. If it is mentioned solve it by quadratic formula, only you have to solve it by quadratic formula. Don't use any other method. Until and unless it's mentioned, you can go with any method, whatever method you wish. Clear? So in the next video, let us go with the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation. Okay, thank you.